Hey guys, welcome to another video from Febscapes. In this video, we will be looking how we can download and install Epic Games Launcher and enable two-factor authentication. For that, we can open your favorite browser and go to google.com and search for Epic Games Launcher. We can click on the first link here, which shows download Epic Games Launcher. Since I am using a Windows OS, I am clicking on the Windows button here and click on the save file. The downloading has started. We can click on the file to start our installation. Click on the OK button here. If you want to change the location, we can change it by clicking the change button here. We can continue by clicking on the install button. We can wait a couple of minutes to finish our installation. Now it has initiated for an update. Now we can open our Epic Games Launcher by clicking on the Start button and searching for Epic Games Launcher. We can create a new account by clicking on the Sign Up button here. We have to enter our details like first name, last name, display name, email address and password in this field. So I will be entering my details here. Now we can click on the continue button. They will be sending a verification code to our registered email ID. So we can enter it here and click verify email button. For enabling the two-factor authentication, we can go to the store and check for a game that requires two-factor authentication. Click on that and click continue. Click the get button here. Now it's asking us to enable two-factor authentication, so we can click on that button. It will redirect us to a new web page. The Epic Games allows us three types of authentication methods, that is by using Authenticator app, SMS authentication and by email authentication. I will be using the email authentication, so we can click on the email enable email authentication button. So they will be again sending a verification code to our mail ID. We can enter it here and click on the continue button. Yeah, we have successfully installed our Epic Games Launcher and enabled two-factor authentication. If you guys find this video useful, please support us by like, share and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.